The Lazy Turtle.
In a quiet, green forest, there lived a turtle named Ro. Ro was friendly and kind, but he was very, very lazy. While other animals ran and played, Ro stayed in his shell, snoring loudly. He always said, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "Why hurry? I'm a turtle." One day, Elder Turtle made an announcement. "There will be a hill climbing contest next week. The winner will get a big basket of sweet strawberries." All the animals were excited and started training. Rabbit ran up and down the hills. Squirrel jumped from tree to tree. Even Hedgehog climbed small rocks every day. But Ro, he just yawned and napped under the fig tree. "Too much work," he said. "Strawberries aren't worth a sweat." But one day, Ro saw the prize basket. The strawberries looked so red and juicy. "Maybe I should try," Ro thought. On race day, Ro signed up at the last minute. "You didn't train at all," said Hedgehog. "I'll be fine," Ro smiled. The race began, and animals rushed up the hill. Ro tried but got tired after just a few steps. "Huff, puff, I need a break." He sat down on a rock and soon fell asleep. When he woke up, the race was over. All the animals were eating strawberries and laughing. "I didn't even try," Ro said sadly. Rabbit patted his shell gently. "You can still change. Try next time." That night, Ro couldn't sleep. He thought about the race, the prize, and his laziness. The next morning, he woke up early. He started stretching and exercising. Each day, Ro trained a little more. He jogged, climbed, and stayed active. Soon, he felt stronger and faster. The animals were amazed at his change. "You're not lazy anymore, Ro," they said. Elder Turtle announced a new contest, a bigger hill. This time, Ro signed up first. On race day, he climbed slowly but didn't stop. Step by step, he reached the top. 3rd place! Everyone clapped and cheered. Ro smiled proudly and took a bite of a strawberry. "This is the best strawberry ever," he said, "because I worked hard to get it." From that day on, no one called him Lazy Ro again. They called him Hardworking Ro, a true role model. And Ro always remembered, success never comes from laziness. You have to try every day.